There's no life like the good life. That's what I like to say. Ah, yeah.
Offer some of my perspectives on the history of the St. Louis riverfront. And we're in a national park here in downtown St. Louis, and the main feature of that national park, keep in mind that when Thomas Jefferson first became president in 1801, the Mississippi River, where we are right now, was the western border of the United States. It's over on the right side of the boat.
Arch Brown started. They get this piece all these warehouses up here around the riverfront. They have to wait around. We'll get their drilling up to the lock later on today. And I mentioned earlier on you're allowed to push 50. There comes the new all by itself, the left-hand side here. Here it comes.
Inside the caisson. Took a lot of pressure.
I could eat all this. Hey, so a lot of times I struggle with this. I think, you know, a guy that loves the beach so much, loves foreign travel and all that, so I'm like, why spend the time to come to a place like St. Louis? Well, one thing that I learned today, I think, is the history. If you're into history, St. Louis is a great place to come. If you like big ass arches that soar into the sky, St. Louis is a good place to come. If you like casinos, and casinos all over the place around here, you can even float in the river. The food, you got the jazz, you got some good food. Did I say food yet? Of course, is good wine, and they got their own style pizza. Lewis and Clark came here a few times, and I guess just on the other side of the river here used to be part of that Louisiana Purchase that Napoleon Bonaparte sold to the American change, like 3 cents an acre or something like that, they were saying. So it was a gateway to the rest of the world back in the day, gateway to the West. I don't know about that now, because now you got airplane. Anyway, there's no life like the good life. That's what I like to say.